Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sifan. In this video I share how I clean my kitchen every other day to keep my house clean and neat. On my channel I share motivational videos and lifestyle. If you are into this kind of content, please go ahead and subscribe. Also give it a thumbs up, it will help my channel to grow. This coffee table is a DIY. We worked on it with my husband last year. I got the idea from one of a YouTuber. I will go ahead and link her channel. She's so talented and creative, and she did also leave everything you need in the description box to make this coffee table. As you've seen on the video, the house is a little bit messy today. Also, I just finished cooking. That's why we had so many dishes to do. I do not use chemical every other day to clean my kitchen. I use only water and vinegar.
Every night, love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know.
For kitchen cabinet, I use warm water and dish soap to wipe it down. I do keep a tablecloth on my dining table just to protect it. On this day, my daughter was painting and she had the paint all over the tablecloth. I had to throw that out. I'll probably purchase a new one next week.
That I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope this video motivate you to clean any room in your house. Until I see you all next time on different video, stay blessed and I love you all.